President Rodrigo Duterte met with Kuwaiti ambassador to the Philippines Musaid Saleh Al Tuaik yesterday in Malacanang. Presidential spokesperson Secretary Harry Roque says the meeting was bilateral and only the two leaders know what was discussed. However, Roque says the president might visit Kuwait soon.
Although I was told that I should not, but there's a trip in the offing to Kuwait.
The official says the Kuwaiti government may want to ensure its cooperation with the Philippines in protecting OFWs.
Well, I guess Kuwait wants to assure the president that Philippine nationals are protected in Kuwait and to see for himself.
There are around 250,000 Filipinos in Kuwait and 165,000 of them are household domestic workers. President Duterte have said that he is considering to order a recall of OFWs and declare a deployment ban of Filipinos in Kuwait if the Kuwaiti government will not do anything to stop the abuses against OFWs. Meanwhile, in a report of Kuwait Times, a body of a woman thought to be a Filipina domestic helper was found inside the freezer in an apartment. However, the Philippine Embassy in Kuwait is still confirming the report. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue, Malacanang.